No talk, guys. We finna talk about Octavius and Stella relationship and how weird I find it to be. Now, before I start speaking on the relationship, let me first put some kind of perspective on people who don't understand. Now, with Octavia, she kind of grew up not really interacting with her mother. She mostly interacted with her father, and as far as she knows about their current relationship, she only know what Stella is telling her. So to her perspective, her dad is 100% in the wrong, and the mother nowhere in the wrong, right? You see, the problem for me with this kind of relationship is that Stella is being like overtly evil about it. You know what I'm saying? Like she being mad petty about it, and you would think that would be enough to cue her in that her mother is a piece of shit, but it doesn't. Hopefully in season 3 they make this short plot.